Okay, very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our Yuva and Kimotis weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI tools, AI tech tools. Last week, I couldn't join the live session, but Kimoto-san, my partner, he shared a short video and gave you all a quick explanation about this topic. So, how DBS Bank is cutting 4,000 jobs due to AI. So, that was just a brief look. And today, I want to go deeper into this story because the future we talked about it's already here. So let's dive into what's really happening at DBS and what it means for all of us. So let's do a quick recap. Okay, so the DBS, actually the biggest bank in Singapore, and recently announced that it will cut 4,000 contract and temporary jobs over the next 3 years. Okay, and no, it's not because they are going bankrupt. It's not due to poor performance. It's because of artificial intelligence. So this is a big deal, and it's something that affects all of us. So let's take a closer look at what's really so what kind of work it is being affected. So as DBS brings AI deeper into its operations, it's automating tasks that were once done by people. Okay, especially in roles like customer service, back end processing, compliance and risk management, even fraud prevention. So AI systems can now handle these jobs faster, cheaper, and more accurately, reducing the need for human involvement in routine tasks. So this is where the real shift is happening. Talk to customers like a call center agent. So it can spot fraud better than a human. It can analyze credit risk instantly. So if AI can do all that, why pay humans? So that's the thinking behind these job cuts. So now here's the interesting part. This DBS actually also creating 1,000 new jobs. So these roles focused on AI development and data science jobs that involve building and managing these new technologies. So the message here is we are not just replacing people, we are changing the kind of people we need. So just the job loss, it's a job shift. Okay, so the bank actually estimates that over 1 billion Singapore dollars by 2025. So for DBS isn't just a tech upgrade, it's smart business decision, right? So it could save money, work faster, reduce human error. So this kind of things, it's hard to argue with that, right? And the DBS CEO, okay, and Piyush Gupta, he made a great point actually. So I just would like to share this part here. In the past, when the new technology came in, so jobs were usually reassigned. So some people got trained to do something new. But with AI, it's different. So AI can now create its own, learn by itself, copy what humans do, and makes it much harder to simply move people around. This transformation unfolds. DBS is also getting a new CEO. Tan So Shan will take over after Piyush Gupta steps down at the end of this March. So this shows that DBS isn't just investing in AI, they are also putting in leadership that can manage this kind of deep change. Okay, so this isn't just about one bank. If it's happening at DBS today, it could happen at your workplace tomorrow. So AI won't just take jobs, it will transform them. So some roles will disappear, some will be created, but almost every job will be affected. So here's the big question. Are we preparing for this? That's the question. What I could say here is don't just wait for a company to tell your job is changing. So you have to start now. Start now, learn the basic AI tools. You have to upskill in your current role. Stay curious and adaptable to new tech world, because the people who survive the shift are the ones who evolve with it. To help people stay updated with AI trends, we actually created a group on Discord where we share the latest AI tools and news every day. So tips to help you stay productive and future ready. If you are interested, feel free to join us. And if it's not for you, you can leave anytime. So no pressure.
Commute to the Singapore.
Yes, every day.
How do they feel this impact?
Yeah, maybe that they should feel the pressure. They already started to feel the pressure right now, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, because this is not about the DBS only, even
Mm,
other companies.
mm,
It
mm.
could happen.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So, thank you for joining today's session and see you next
Mm.
Sunday.